I'm going to explain banking account.cs and test account.cs chronologically. So initially we're going to start with the banking account.cs. So as we can see, this one using .system is the start, the namespace. So namespace is basically the container which will contain the class and all the other stuffs together. So class is the bank blueprint for making the banking account. We can see the private. We have used the private over here to make sure that it is only accessible by the individual user, which is the banking account holder, and decimal for the current balance, as the balance can be like double. Yep. And string. So this one, account holder's name, and stores the money currently in the account on top of it. So for then the public banking account, so it is accessible by any users, and there can be a new account can also every time be added. Here we can see the customer string customer name, which means string customer name, and this means account holder equals to the customer name, and starting funds decimal current balance equals to starting funds. Public string account holder, so this one we've used string over here to include text and stuff like that. Then where is the public void at deposit? Account holder, we're done. And public void. Yep, public void at deposit. So with this at deposit, it means the money goes inside, and we have used public so because the money can come from anywhere, and void. So once the money gets in, there is no other repercussions of it. So if, and in this one, if decimal deposit amount is less than 0, console write line error, because it will always has to be more than 0. Even like 10 cents will work. And one if, so that's why we have put if loop. And when if the money is less than 0, then it will be write line and error message will be. And once the money is more than 0, their current balance will be more than the deposit. The new deposit amount will be added to the current balance. So amount deposited, updated balance will be the console.write line. Then the public take withdrawal once the money is taken out. So less than $0, there is no point of taking out, they cannot be done. So that's why I put an if loop here as well. And when the money is more than 0, then there will be an, and when the amount of money withdrawn or being withdrawn is more than the current balance, there will be another one which will say that not enough balance, so current balance, and then this will be this one. So current balance, and the last one, current balance, if everything is done perfectly, then the current balance will be minus the withdrawal amount, which is the new amount. So yep. And public void display details, which will be account balance, account holder name, public void display details. That's it. Now going to the test accounts one. Here you can see this one, system banking account, banking names of banking account, test system, static list banking account. So this is a fixed list of banking accounts, new list banking account. Yep. Static void main, while void main. So this one means the main account. While true, so this means that the it keeps on running in loop until the result is a true or a positive answer or a valid answer. Console write line at deposit, and view one, view all, exit, string choice, console.read line. So this one means basically, yep, it's a string choice. Yep, if choice is 1, so this will be the choice. This means there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 options. So which one the user is gonna pick will be console read line, will come in display as in 1, 2, 1 is create account, 2 is deposit, 3 is withdraw, 4 is show one, 5 show all, 6 break invalid option. or else there's an invalid option. Then static void create account, when the user is in fixed create account, which means the user is going to put information. There will be console.write name, string name equals to console.readline, console.write opening balance, decimal balance equals to convert to decimal, console.readline, because the balance can be $10.15, $10.20. That's why we have used decimal in this one. Account, add new banking account, console.writeLine. Then the static int select account. This is static integer select account. Yep, if the count is also 0, the WriteLine will show no account available. Return to -1, so it will take back to the previous display menu or the previous tab. For int equals 0, I is less than +1, I is equals to I is less than the account I++. So once the new account is being added, so I++ means 1 extra 1 is going to be added. And you have so static void deposit. So I select account, this one, select account. If I is number 1, then return will take back to the previous. This is basically withdraw. For this one, withdraw, -1 return, I is -1. Your static show 1, same, so it's gonna explain. And yeah, for lastly, for static for show all, so it's gonna show all, so there is no account less than console WriteLine, no account zip. So yeah, that's it.